Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have some special treats for you. The word of the day is a shining light. You are the lighthouse. You are that torch that's leading everyone out of their wilderness as you're actually being a trailblazer coming out of your wilderness. As you present that lighthouse of safety to come from these crazy tides, these whirlwinds, these tornadoes, you're showing yourself and all the rest of the world safety and the path to go, to actually be able to find their freedom, not to be bound by certain shackles of the world of depression. My desire to improve myself, transform fear into strength, because fear fears us. Once we look it in the eye, I guarantee it will run the opposite direction, and we're free to be ourselves and to shine, baby, shine. I raise my thoughts above fear, doubt, and I find faith in the goodness of the universe. See, you learning this and actually implementing this is showing the rest of the world the path to go, the mind state, how to control your world. I love and accept myself as a soul, and I discover the light that dwells within me. I want you to shine, baby, shine. Do not let anything dim your light. You're in the right place, right time, on the right path, and being the right example. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.